Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about functions in Python. Functions help us organize and code and make programs easier to read and reuse. If you ever copied the same code multiple times, functions are the solution. Let's get started. What's a function? A function is a block of code that only runs when you call it. You write the code once, give it a name, and then use it whenever you want. And this is how a basic structure of a function is written. We write def, and then we write function name, for example. That is where we put the function name. And then we put the code here. Def means define a function, and the function name is the name you choose. The code inside the function is moved in. Now let's write a simple function. We write def say hello, and then we print hello. And then when we run it, you see that nothing happens because the function is only defined, not run. To run it, we call the function. So we say hello. And now when we run it, it prints hello. Functions with parameters. Functions can receive data. These are called parameters. For example, we write def greet name and then print hello name. For calling the function, we write like this. We write greet, and then inside we write, for example, Alex, and the next one greet, and then for example we write Sarah. Each time the function runs, it gives a different value. Like when we run it, the first one says hello Alex, and the second one hello Sarah. Functions with more than one parameter. For example, we write the add numbers a and b, and then print a plus b, and then right add number 5 and 3 for example, and again add numbers. This time we're at 10 and 7, and then when we run it, the function uses the numbers you passed in. So the first one will be 8 because 5 plus 3 is 8, and then the second one, that is 17. Returning values. Sometimes you want a function to send a value back. That's what a return is for. So we write add a comma b, and then return a plus b. Now we can store the result, right? Results equals add 4 and 6 and print result. This makes functions really powerful. And when we run it, it would gives us 10. Why functions are important? Without functions, we for example write print welcome, and then we copy it and paste it 3 times. But with a function, we write def welcome and then print welcome, and then we call it 3 times. It's cleaner, shorter, and easier to update. Now let's make a small project. Greeting with input. We write def greet user, and then print nice to meet you name, and a username. With input, enter your name, and then greet user username. This shows how functions work with user input. Now when we run it, it gives enter your name, and enter Celine, and then it says nice to meet you, Celine. Sometimes beginners may make mistakes, like forgetting to call the function, or forgetting indentation, or using print instead of return when you need a value. In this video, we learned about what functions are, how to define and call functions, how to use parameters, and how to return values, and why functions make code better. In the next video, we'll learn about modules and importing code. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more Python tutorials.